Welcome to ITsEasyTraining, where you can build practical Microsoft 365 skills for real work in the UK, from Excel and Power BI to Access, Word, Outlook, Teams, and more. You'll find quick tutorial clips on the tools people use every day, including Excel formulas, Power BI visuals, and Access forms. Everything is hands-on, so you're guided through step-by-step workplace tasks you can follow along with and use right away. The approach behind these lessons comes from more than 20 years of hands-on IT training, shaped by what learners actually need to use at work. With over 1,400 tutorials, the focus stays simple. Less jargon, more clear guidance you can use straight away. Messy data starts to make sense, with clean reports and simple charts that grow into dashboards you can actually use. That means Microsoft 365 feels less confusing and much easier to understand, so you can use its tools with more confidence day to day. If you're just getting started, you'll get a clear place to begin, so you can learn the basics without feeling lost or overwhelmed. And if you already know the fundamentals, you'll find ways to push further, sharpen your technique, and keep building stronger Microsoft 365 skills. Structured playlists help you learn in a clear order, with paths for topics like Excel basics, Power BI for beginners, and Access database design. Along the way, practical tips and real examples keep each lesson focused on what you'll actually need to do at work. It keeps bringing people back because the lessons help you learn smarter, work faster, and feel more confident using Microsoft 365 in real work. With new tutorials every week across the app suite, you can keep making steady progress instead of learning in stops and starts. Subscribe and join thousands of learners who are building stronger Microsoft 365 skills here every week. Hit subscribe so the next tutorial is ready when you are.